Ready to permanently say goodbye to your QuickBooks Online account? Let's make sure you do it right, avoiding any future headaches. First, before you even think about deleting, you must cancel your subscription. Log into your QuickBooks Online account, and in the upper right corner, click the gear icon, then select Account and Settings. Next, navigate to the Billing and Subscription tab. Here, you'll find the option to cancel subscription. Follow the prompts to complete the cancellation process. This stops future billing. Important: before deleting, export all the reports and data you might need in the future. Once deleted, it's gone forever. Consider downloading profit and loss statements, balance sheets, customer lists, and vendor details. There is no going back. Okay. Data backed up. Subscription cancelled. Let's proceed. Go back to the gear icon. Select Account and Settings again. And this time, click on the Advanced tab. Scroll down to the Company section. You should see an option to close company or potentially delete company. The wording can vary. Click on that. Now, QuickBooks will likely present you with a stern warning. Read it carefully. You'll probably need to type yes or a similar confirmation to prove you understand the consequences. Complete any final confirmation steps. Once finished, you should see a confirmation screen that your QuickBooks Online account is permanently deleted, and that's it. Your QuickBooks Online account is officially gone. Just remember to back up your data first.